In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to images in Google Docs. Whether your document is stored right in Google Drive or you've got it locally, the process is straightforward and we'll cover some best practices along the way. Alt text isn't just a technical requirement, it's a critical component to ensure your documents are accessible to all users, including those using screen readers. First things first, let's open the document you're working on. Head over to Google Drive, locate the Google Doc that contains the image you wish to alter, or if you haven't already inserted an image, now's the time to do so. Once you're in the document, click on the image you've inserted. This step is crucial as it highlights the image, preparing it for the next actions. With the image selected, you'll need to access the alt text pane. This can be done conveniently with a simple right-click on your highlighted image. From the context menu that appears, choose Alt Text. Alternatively, you can speed things up using keyboard shortcuts. If you're on a Windows device, press Ctrl, Alt, and Y together. If you're using a Mac, the shortcuts CMD, Option, and Y will do the trick. Now, you'll find yourself in the Alt Text dialog box, which features two fields: Title and Description. While both are available, let's focus on the description field, as this is where the main descriptive text should go. This text should succinctly and accurately describe the image to someone who might not be able to see it. The title field is optional and should not be used for crucial information, since many screen readers do not prioritize it. In cases where the image you've added is purely decorative and does not convey any meaningful information, you have the option to leave the description field blank or simply add a single space. This informs assistive technologies that the image doesn't require any additional explanation, allowing the content flow to remain uninterrupted for users relying on these tools. Once you've entered the necessary alt text, the final step is to save your work. Click OK to confirm and save the alt text you've just added. This ensures that all users will experience the full richness of your document as intended. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced the accessibility of your Google Doc, but also demonstrated a commitment to inclusivity and universal design. Remember, clear and concise descriptions are key to effective alt text, and taking the time to add these details can make a significant difference to those accessing your content in ways you might not immediately consider.